Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our Islamic channel Islam the Infinite Light. Let us learn more about Islam. Today we are going to discuss the meaning of powerful dua Hasbiyallahu La Ilaha illa Huwa Alayhi Tawakkaltu wa Huwa Rabbul Arshil Azim. Hasbiyallahu La Ilaha illa Huwa Alayhi Tawakkaltu wa Huwa Rabbul Arshil Azim. Let us break down this dua word by word to understand more clearly. Hasbi. Hasbi has a root word which in English means sufficient. Hasbi means sufficient. Allahu is Allah. Allahu. Alayhi. Allahu. This all means Allah. La in English means no or none. Ilaha means Lord or Allah or God. Ilahi, Ilaha means Allah. Illa means but or except. Huwa in English means he. Huwa means he. Alayhi is onto or upon him or upon. Tawakkaltu means trust. Tawakkaltu means trust. Wa means and. Wa means and. Huwa again it came, so it means he. Rabbu. Rabbu is Rabb or Allah. Rabb or Allah. Rabbu. Arsh means the majestic throne. Arsh means the majestic throne. Al-Adim. This is one of the names of Allah and it means the great, the magnificent, the supreme. Al-Adim means the supreme, the great or the magnificent. Thus, Hasbiyallahu La Ilaha illa Huwa Alayhi Tawakkaltu wa Huwa Rabbul Arshil Azim means sufficient is Allah. There is no God but He, Allah. Unto Him is my trust. He is the Lord of the throne, the magnificent. Sufficient is Allah. There is no God but He, Allah. Unto Him is my trust. He is the Lord of the throne, the magnificent. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned this powerful dua in Surah At-Tawbah, verse number 129 as, but if they turn away, say, Hasbiyallahu La Ilaha illa Huwa Alayhi Tawakkaltu wa Huwa Rabbul Arshil Azim. This dua is taught by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and consoles him that if the disbeliever turns away, then say, Hasbiyallahu La Ilaha illa Huwa Alayhi Tawakkaltu wa Huwa Rabbul Arshil Azim. He is consoling him that Allah is sufficient for him. There is no God but He. put the trust on Him, and He is the Lord of the majestic throne, and He is the supreme. Hope you have understood the meaning of Hasbiyallahu La Ilaha illa Huwa Alayhi. Tawakkaltu wa huwa rabbul arshil azim. Please like this video, share with your friends and family members. Jazakallahu khairan for watching.